Simon, you have any cash on your $1,000?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Thanks. I'll give you when I come back.
Okay. Oh, mommy, the money you have for me?
What did he say? Excuse me? You want money back from me? You mean after the 9 months? All the food I buy? All the bills I pay?
Oh my God.
The light switch the money won't turn off? And you want money back from me? Seriously? I'll give you when I come back.
He needs some milk.
People still a thief Wi-Fi. Digital have one data plan on them enough social. You need to go get it. You can start as low as 2 days. You can go the whole month, 28 days. But the data done fast. No, say how the boy attack. Hey boy, where am I for the name? Mr. and Mrs. Vast. Cause them look like them broke too. Upload players and listen. Go download the My Digital app and go take out the plan. It ever make you get WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all of them things are free. Oh Jesus, I fucks negative instruction. Never call the police. No, not joke. And now come back.
Over the blood clot, this we see I go on for Marcus Garvey internet. Hey girl, put on the blood clot knife and fork. And lift up. You think a cake you eat? Patty, hand to mouth. But no irritating no blood clot. Go man.
Yo, I eat my bumbo claw 5 fries left on my tape, my plate. Aquino.
Deal.
Oh. You eat my blood clot
Man,
fries
that's
like a
all.
year one.
You're approaching me if I ate your fucking fries.
Repulsion. Hey, don't be having a bumbo class, Sam. I price up in your fight.
Mommy,
So.
stay out of this, please.
Yo, what a party, party.
Tired of that pussy.
You go blood up your blood claw nose. How do you feel like? Are you alone? Could have stopped time? Pussy. Why the fuck you move?
What are you doing, man? Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Your pussy wetter than the Titanic. Some murky for your fling, so I Spanish. Me see the slut in the eye, mommy. So don't shy, bitch. Don't be eye for me. Don't tell me a lie. You never fuck in the show, but you like canny. Get a pussy have a bite. So now give away the pussy free, put price money. Life's a bitch. Or you feel die life a bit. Certain killers with your eyes are brick. So when you see certain cocky, you have to climb on it. Wine for me, no bag of lighter in. Don't worry, do my time, mommy.
You know, long me no fuck. Every minute me on it or at it, me have to hug up pill all night for ease off the pressure of honey. How long me go honey for? How long me can hold this honey for? Jesus Christ. Sometimes me asleep and me find myself there just a joking and me sleep, the joke. What is?
Uno stop fighting. Watch ya. Uno stop fighting. Watch ya. Uno stop. You love me?
Yeah, I love you, but I wonder you take so long for give me a pussy.
You want a pussy?
I want your pussy, man.
What you want to do to it?
I want to fuck it and come in right.
You want to do what?
I want to fuck it and
I feel like I'm fun. This thing not fun no more. It not fun. Me not enjoy myself. Me not do this every week. This not nice.
pussy tight like I mean. Man pocket when him broke and if she pass big dream. Mama forget fuck up the Glock 23 for me. Ever talk say if I step to the
You know, if you ask me twice. Aye, oh man, aye.
Today, we observe the humble Jamaican nerd as he rushes to the bathroom to back his fist. Now you might think that he is going to the bathroom to back his fist because he has no girlfriend. But in reality, this is a ceremonial practice of longevity, meaning that in backing his fist multiple times, he will become a long-distance Stella who can last an extremely long time in the bedroom.
That not go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Yes, sir.
Like secret, sappy and nasty and freaky. I may say, oh yeah, yeah, oh. From an old like Leland.
Yeah, brother.
Round it, yeah, eat it, round that something there.
Ready now?
Ready, right?
Brother, ready now, brother?
Party boy, man.
Yo, Junior, what do you?
Dog, me nah nobody for Valentine Day, dog. Like everybody just gone.
At least I got me, bro.
Ya body, man. Yeah, watch it for you, so you.
Shot a bus, catchy dip. Black bimmer with the lip. Pink turbo kick after the engine chip. Turn off each action, make it tire them slip. 9 binds full of clip. Aye, how we make it if I
Like secret, sappy and nasty and freaky. I may say, oh yeah, yeah, oh. From an old like Leland, no. Touch it, show.
Batty. Brother, you're a batty boy, man. Batty boy.
I beat him, blood clot, beat him, Freezer! Let's go! Oh, the fuck I didn't beat none of them to blood clot, them pussy all your teeth. Oh, them bumbo clot. Let me see if we can beat them pussy all your, them blood clot, you been, yo, we can't. Let me see when they beat.
Like secret, sappy and nasty and freaky. I may say, oh yeah, yeah, oh. From an old like Leland, no.
I should really go some and take off my glasses. Because I wonder if I not see right or I not hear right.
Dog, tell me if I'm insecure. I just see my girl come out of my neighbor house. When I ask her what she had doing the dog, she tell me she help him spread the bed.
What the
type
fuck?
Shit? Damn, type shit. That fuck pan type shit. Yo, you ever hear about a thing named Time and Bumbo Clad place? You need to chill type shit. You know that type shit. Dog, I swear if it don't stop. Sorry, dog. We can't stop. Try it. I don't want to try that. I don't want to become like Kudo. Type shit. Bumbo Clad that bad type shit. Type shit.
Picture me and you under the city must tree with F-U-C-K-I-N-G. Pictures of me cookies, a cookie ice cream, you fi S-U-C-K-I-N-G. Miss Grippy, come here and grip me, please. Grip me, please.
I beat you.
Where you say me and them there?
It me catch you with nobody. I'm tell you, me catch you there with no man, boy. Yeah. Me catch you look no man, or I catch you there with no man. I say me now broke a boat cross your walk. Kick your foot down. Kick up your blood clot.
Charles, what is it? What is it we say, eh? What happened? Yeah,
just playing a game.
What which game you play?
I'm just trying to. Rob, loud?
I you damn a jackass. Go do your work. Damn it. The boy there. The pan video. Eh? You video, man?
No.
Listen to me. Put your act together and don't let me come in your back.
Oh, you little bitch.
Haitian cheaper than black. Camera, take a picture not glance. Scavvy them, Gaza, Sina that bad. Lick of that, make me head cheaper one pan. Let's chatting. When me lucky, I chopping. Locking. 3 days, me no beard like stocky. Waffy, tappy. Big phone chat, catch Cali. Gozo.
Browning, watch you know. You tick like right answer. I'm gonna say something to you there. Please. Hey girl, you deaf?
What?
But people, at the end of the day, you have to make bricks, bro. You just have to, put out the effort if you want to make your money. You see me, bro? Don't watch no face, bro. You just have to respectful to others. Do what you have to do, bro. You see me? At the end of the day, people, find any little work you can get. Do what you have to do, bro. Don't cuss bad word. Believe in a God and do what you have to do for other father. You see me? Just go and work on it, bro. You're so rich. Worry yourself, you're so rich. You see me?
Who that man, Jonah, what going on?
Suck your mother, boy.
Suck your mother, how you pray?
Yeah,
So Jonah, look how long you left school and now go look work.
Kush bomb. Nah, bro, no. I gotta go on. I want a piece of grabber, you know.
So where you get grabber?
Nah, no bills.
No.
Ball game. Ah, bro.